Okay, this is my first video on, basic stuff. I'm gonna show how I repair, well, not really repair it, but change Rigby's batteries in his head. Now, I just need 4 AA batteries right here. I have 4 of them, but they're over there on my desk right there. And I need a screwdriver. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off his head. Like that. Just like place the head on something soft so it don't break. Oh, and by the way, I realized it has another ear support holder. It could come easily out right there. I don't know why it's there, but I think it's just for the support. Anyway, oh yeah, that's the newest thing I added on him. I don't know if I showed him yet, but I don't know what it is. I think it's from no, one shot. I forgot what it was called. Anyway, I'm just gonna take off the head. Okay, I'm gonna bring him down here. Okay. Now, it's a little off focus. Is there any way I can? Okay, that's good. Okay. Wait. No, I think it takes 3. I don't know, I'll have 4 just in case. There's my 4 batteries. Oh, I just put it away. Okay, I just gotta move his jaw a bit to access the screw that's right here. That way is this part don't fall off. It should come off. Originally I was planning on gluing this down, but then I realized that would be pretty dumb. And I mean, right now the servo seems strong, but that's because he's on the ground. If I were to lift him up, the servos would just be pretty weak. And his mouth is pretty weak too. It even shows how weak it is on the ground. Wait. Yeah, that thing don't want to move it. You see that part moving. But, I like to just take this, use that to pull it out. Oh, I don't want to get these batteries mixed. Okay. Those are the Duracell batteries. I like to use Duracell because it's, lasting a little longer than normal. I just need to put that. Okay. And it's still kind of weak, but... Uh-oh. Okay. I fixed it. I should put that right there. Put these away. That was loud. Okay. And put this up. Okay. Now oh snap, I almost forgot to screw that back on. Okay. Lift this up. Alright. Is it? Wait. It's not screwing. Wait, let's hold up. What is going on? It's supposed to get tighter when you screw it. And that's the bottom piece's fault. Oh, no, it's screwed. Okay. I just had to make sure. Okay, that part don't move. Unless you were to, oh, I think it's the fabric that's colliding it. Until I have a little thing right here. Gotta put this here. Someday I might put something right here, that way you don't get caught up against the fabric. And I need to move his tongue. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, I think he's ready. Okay, now all I gotta do is put on his head. Right about here. I have this temporarily in there, but I gotta fix that someday. Any day that thing could fall down. which is just a screwdriver. Because there's like a piece back here that holds it. The screwdriver holds it in, so it doesn't like slip off. Then I just need to fix this. Putting it in the back. And now this should be sturdier. I'm gonna find my thing. Okay. Oh, that is way sturdier. Don't mind what I use. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn him around. Oh, I forgot he's not himself anymore. Next video, I'm going to show how this, I changed to batteries. I think I showed a video. I don't remember. Okay, here. I hope my phone don't fall. Okay. Yeah, his hands do need to be changed. They were back then like that. But yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end it here. Oh, snap. Forgot the thing that makes Rigby Rigby. His head. Oh. Okay. Oh, snap. Wrong way. There we go. That's Rigby. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna just cut it off here. My battery is at... Oh, well, I can't check. Anyway, goodbye. I will see you in the next video.